not doing this to look good. This shit just sickens me. And I know that the things that keep going the way they are, there's not going to be anywhere for truckers to park. This is already not a parking space for trucks. But Kehe and FedEx, or Prime now, and NFI are the only thing on this road. I've parked here a bunch of times, it's never been a problem. But this is a problem. The amount of garbage on this street from nasty truckers not taking care of themselves and not respecting the space around them, it's ridiculous. Now, I don't have time or the equipment to get rid of all of it, but I'm gonna fill up a bag. It's the best I can do. At least get the crap out of the street, and whatever I can pick up without getting somebody's fecal matter on my hands, I will. And I'm gonna wear gloves just in case. There you go. It's not perfect, but it's better than it was. That's one bag, and if every time I come here I do that, maybe, they say one guy can't make a difference, but I mean, this 150 feet doesn't have any trash on it anymore.